My occupation is professional football player.
It's an Adlin play, and it's caught for the touchdown by Marlon Moore.
I'm coming up on 7 years playing professional football. The average career is basically 2.5 to 3 years. Over the years, I've had hamstring issues, many hamstrings issues, from slight pulls to, complete grade 2, grade 3 pulls. So that and, lower back issues have been my main thing. And me being a speed player, I need my lower back and my hamstrings to be 100% functional. They have one of the best medical staffs here in town and across the nation. So it's pretty much a no-brainer for me to come here and get this treatment done. When I first walked through the doors, being greeted by the receptionist first and foremost is a big thing to me. If they're not personable, and don't have your best interest in heart, it's gonna be hard for you to come here and feel comfortable. So as soon as I walked through the door, I felt very comfortable. And then being able to walk in and seeing how modern and up-to-date it is, it also put me at ease. This is a serious treatment, and it's not something that you want to take lightly or be just in a regular place. So being able to walk in here, feel comfortable, and knowing that I'm in good hands is number one in my mind. Knowing that it's 100% safe, there will be no backlash, and anything coming back from it is reassuring. So, just the buzz about it has been nothing but good, and I'm eager to find out what the hype is about.